Greetings, friends. I'm Ruth Norman of Unarius Educational Foundation in San Diego, California. And I have been in touch with many of the other planets, physical, mental, and the spiritual worlds, and especially of these 33 Confederation planets. We have made this chart to show the pattern of these 33 physical or material atomic structured worlds. This is the pattern that these 33 worlds are, that we are reforming the Confederation, which at one time was expressed as a unit and communicated physically, mentally, and psychically.
Polarity Glacia of planet Initia. This is another polarity who, when contacted, it seemed on a superficial level that everything was rosy, when in fact quite the opposite was true. When Uriel contacted them, their civilization was very similar to what Earth went through during the period known as Lemuria. People were being monitored on a very close level. Glacia told Uriel that she couldn't understand why people were not more enthusiastic about the various projects being given to them. Well, it turned out the people had no opportunity to think, to reason, to make their own mistakes. Everything was very methodically plotted out, planned, and laid before them.